So this is the third video I'm making. This is a close-up of the actual sun, and here you can see the real sun in the back. It's yellow, it's orange, and then there's this white ball of stuff that seems to be targeting it. You see? Yep, it's following it. And then I did notice right here in there's a spot right here where it seems to just, it's following it at first it seems to be following it, and then there's a point where it kind of like locks in. I think it's around here, right there. It right there at this point it seems to be locked in, and then it's moving right along, right on top of it, kind of like it's locked in target. You see, it's moving right with it practically, and it seems to be like it's just making adjustments after that. But at first, when you first start the video, you see like it's actually trying to move along with the sun, reach the sun, and try to cover it. So it struggles in the beginning, and then it locks in somehow, and then it moves with it as much, and then it tries to perfect the cover up right there. Yeah, you go.